Let's walk through setting up and using the Accu-Chek Softclix lancing device. First, you will need to load your lancing device. For this, you will need an Accu-Chek Softclix lancet. Remove the cap from the lancing device. Now insert the lancet into the lancet holder as shown. Push it all the way in until it clicks in place. Twist and remove the protective cap from the lancet to expose the needle. Place the cap back on your lancing device. Be sure to align the notch on the cap with the mark as shown. Next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type. By turning the dial on the cap, you can select the depth of the lancet. Set the dial to 2 to begin with. You may need to adjust the setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. To use the lancing device, you first need to prime it. Press the priming button all the way down. The release button on the side of the lancing device has now turned yellow. This indicates that your lancing device is now primed and ready to use. Place the pinhole opening firmly against your finger and press the yellow release button. This will lance your finger. Touch the yellow edge of the test strip to the blood drop. To dispose of the lancet, remove the cap from the lancing device. To remove the used lancet, point the lancing device into the sharps container and eject the lancet by sliding the ejector forward as shown. Then put the cap back on the lancing device. You'll find more information in the user's manual that came with your meter. If you still have any questions, please visit Accu-Chek.com.